Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am teaching you Pink Ombre Hearts Valentine Day Nail Art Design Step by Step Guide. This mesmerizing ombre design was completely hand painted by Smith. No big deal, I started off with two dots, then using a nail art brush drag the bottom of the dots into a triangle shape, giving way to the perfect heart every single time. For this design, it's essential to use colors that are very pigmented. For the darkest pink shade, might we suggest easy swing of things, and for the base shade, we'd recommend Zoya's Brickton, a beautiful pink node hue with micro particles of glitter. Design number two is Rainbow Heart Tips Valentine Day Design Nail Art. Just because it's Valentine's Day does not mean you need to stick to red and pink nail colors only. This whimsical design by the Lucy of the Nail Room Chats and Co. in London can be easily recreated at home using colors you already have in your collection. Start by painting nails with a node or every polish, and then create your heart tips using a stencil like for guidance. Finish by applying a glossy top coat to add shine and prevent chipping. Our next style is Kiss Print Essence. This Valentine's Day inspired manicure by Kiara Kilney Smith is easier to DIY than you would think if your nails are short. Invest in some long coffin shaped acrylic nails like